Hmm. Hi everyone, it's Sunday. I have a late start today, but that doesn't mean that I'm not shuffling the cards. It's good to be here. It's good to see you all. I had a restful evening. I went to bed early. I'm just still not feeling 100%. I did do my practice this morning. I made sure to before I came on. So as I'm shuffling the cards, I'd like you all to bring in your higher self into your body. Connect and root yourself and ground yourself into Mother Earth and bring up her energy into your system, in your container, in your field, in your physical body. Bring in all the beings of light that you work with all around you to surround you, work with you, be supportive of you, and nurture you throughout your day. Then we'll ask your angels to pour in the light, the golden light of Source, into your body, from the toes and soles of your feet to the crown of your head, through your shoulders, down your arms, and into your fingertips. And just connect into that energy and see it becoming one with your higher self, Mother Earth. Just filling the container with more and more energy, as much energy as you can hold. And then bringing in more. And start to balance with the zero field in your body, your chakras, your chakra core. So I'm just trying to really shuffle these cards, right? And then we'll see what drops out. It's not that I'm feeling bad necessarily. I'm just really, really achy. So maybe I still need some self-rest. And I just may do that. Let's see. It's just kind of hard. And it's funny, but no card seems to want to be pulled. So I keep mixing them so that eventually something will want to pull out. And I have a couple that have pulled out. I have all of these different essential oils right next to me. They're all falling on top of each other. All right, here we go. We have a 4-card reading today. So we're going to expand out the energy. It's an energy expansion card. I am a clear channel for spirit. My world is thriving in peace and harmony. I live a passionate and juicy life. So feel in and feel it all. I have no sense of camera. Here are the cards. And it's a beautiful reading. And so now it's going to be a sound session. Because I don't know, nothing's coming in as a meditation. And so it just feels like it's meant to be sound that takes precedence right now and use the sound for anything you'd like it to be. And I'm feeling the ZenTube, because the ZenTubes are great because they balance out the chakras. So you can actually do a chakra healing through the body while listening to this, if you wanted to, right? All right, here we go. For those of you who are operating heavy machinery or driving a vehicle, please listen to the sound later. Thank you. And the rest of us, please, let's sit back, close our eyes, and become one with the energy of our container and our field and our physical body and all of our energy bodies and our aura and the physical environmental space that we are in. We say thank you to Source. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to all the beings of light who surround us, nurture us, and love us throughout our day. We ask them all to connect with us in our now moments throughout the day. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. Slowly come back into your body, moving the body, wiggling the fingers on the toes, stretching slightly, really letting the muscles move, taking some deep breaths, and opening your eyes when you're ready. The messages that I'm getting in the silence, because it's really nice, when you're in the silence right after the sound ends, your body is just at peace, and you even hear messages coming in, options coming in, but definitely messages. And I just got this wonderful feeling of love just flowing through me. So I just wanted to remind you guys the cards. I live, first it was the energy card. Then it was I am a clear channel for spirit. Then it was my world is thriving in peace and harmony. And lastly, I live a passionate and juicy life. So connect in, see your options, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And before we end, I'll say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.